United Nations has said that more than 63,000 people have been recorded as internally displaced in Tigray region of Ethiopia. Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran inaugurated Institute of Cardiology in Peshawar. Egypt condemns Israeli announcement of establishing new settlement in Jerusalem. The United Nations Children Fund and Libya General Authority of Youth and Sport have agreed to further cooperate in supporting the country's youth. Palestine's 6th International Criminal Court active role for its liberation from Israel. In India, 7 people killed in a road accident. Delegation of Taliban political commission arrives in Pakistan. Modi's Hindutva government using rape as weapon of war in India illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir.